Guess. Wait. It's not even focused. It's not even focused. Why is it not focused? Hi everyone. Guess who's back? Back again. We're back in the United States of America as of right now, and I'm on my way to go meet a friend. So let's go in my car that the Lord has so graciously blessed me with. So let's get going. I want to answer some of the questions that I have been getting most recently. What am I doing back in the United States? Why was I gone for a year? And what am I doing now? My term ended. It was only supposed to be for 8 months because that's how long my missionaries were staying, and then they extended their time. And so I extended my time. Ended up being there for a year and like 2 months, give or take. Just been praying a lot and just seeking his face and just asking him what he wants me to do next. And it's to stay in missions. So that's what we're doing. A lot of people have been asking, am I going back to Rio? I am actually not going back to Rio. I am going to the Amazon next time. So I am going back on the field, and I'm so excited. Like, I'm so excited. So I'm going back on the field. So that's why I'm home primarily, is because my job now is to raise my funds to be able to come back, to go back and live in the Amazon. So I'll be working with the same organization, with King's Castle. So as you guys have seen in videos past, we do discipleship, we do trainings, and especially it'll look a little bit different in the Amazons because every location that you go to is different. The Brazilian Amazon is very different than the state of Rio de Janeiro. Very, very, very vastly different. It's like going from Florida to California. It's like you can't compare the two. They're just completely different states. That's how grand and big Brazil is.
Look, that is hanging on by a thread. Show them the Stanley. It's hanging on by a thread.
Put it here. Also, who is it? Yeah!
I can't believe I'm on the vlog. I've always wanted to be on the vlog.
You were on the originals, the TikTok ones, remember?
Yes, I was. You already know what it is. Okay, I'm embarrassed. No more.
No, yes more. Wait.
Oh, why is it upside down?
Because it was doing that. But no, I put it here on the little thing, but my phone's here now. So, but we're going to walk. So we'll see you there. Bye. What? Show what?
Just this beautiful picture.
It's literally right here.
No, but like, it's just cinematic.
We're at Nathan Medicine Park, and we're just walking, but we don't know if the park closes at 6 o'clock or 8 o'clock.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Okay, not too much in a girl.
You see them?
Look
They're
at the
that little net.
clouds.
I know.
What a beautiful day in the neighborhood, you guys.
That's what I'm saying. I'm going by the water. Oh my god.
You're so cute.
Fogging away.
Yes, ma'am.
It's Gorgiana out here.
Okay. Hey.
Just remember sitting on my brother.
I'm 2023, me and Luke, because he's leaving tomorrow.
For where?
For
Where's
6
he going?
months. He's going to Circuit Riders and he's going to Mission Field, and I'm like sad. That's what we're doing today. We are going to a sectional meeting, and let me explain what that is.
like this is my first sexual meeting of my itineration. Ah! I'm really excited because, and also I've never been to this section before, so I'm going to section 14. So I'm just excited because I just get to go and hang out with people and talk about what the Lord is doing and is going to do and what our plans are for reaching the Brazilian Amazon and for unreached people groups to hear about Jesus. So like, you get my drift. Like, it's all exciting. The word for this morning is just excited. I'm excited for how the Lord is gonna like move in conversation.
Every $100 given to missions, maybe $1 to $2 goes into work among those with little or no access to the gospel.
We've arrived.
Riley needs to put her this.
Ooh, do we want to get mushrooms or?
We could put them in a bag.
Just Gorgiani. So pretty. And yeah, they just have a room full of honey. They have a lot of things. So they have like immunity boosters. These are all immunity boosters. I think these are candles. Yeah. Then they have like different like wax things. Isn't that cool? And I don't know what this is. They always have new stuff that I'm very interested. Chocolate. I don't know which one I'm gonna pick out because the one that we got last time was really good, but it was also really, really sweet. Kind of tempted to try the palmetto honey. I think I'm just gonna stick with our normal honey because this is all I need for my coffee. Yes, I'm a lefty. My handwriting is normally not this bad. So before I get to this work, because I want to I forgot, I don't know if I told you guys, but I have chickens, so I forgot to check on them this morning. So hey ladies, good afternoon. They're so cute, and I forgot to check if we have eggs. They lay, like right now they're laying about like 2 a day, so let's see. Beautiful. Some spaghetti squash, so we're gonna have some spaghetti squash, okay? Let me heat that up. And I haven't decided if I'm gonna do shrimp or chicken meatballs on top of it, so let's see.
Wait, look, it has a jellyfish.
Aww, that's so cute. That's so pretty. I love that.
I love you.
Aww. Good morning, guys. We're going to the farmer's market this morning. I know it was a crazy day yesterday. Not even like super crazy, but just I was on the computer all day, so nothing interesting. But this morning we are going to the farmer's market, so let's go. fine.
Hey guys.
We got some. We haven't ordered it yet. But I'm thinking about coffee. I think I might do a cappuccino.
Can you do a hot coffee?
Yeah.
I'm gonna look for something with cold foam.
What are we doing?
So I just got an espresso machine, so I'm trying this coffee and we're gonna grind it to espresso-ness.
Right at Whole
Foods.
Whole Foods.
It's called
Stumped with the lid, pour the coffee beans in the hopper, slip back, press the start switch.
The whole thing? I put the whole thing?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna have to go home and look up how to use my espresso machine. Okay. No, I can throw this away. Oh, actually, do you want it? Yeah.
Aleluia.
Os jovens, adolescentes, essa turma aí, ó. E nós estivemos lá ano passado também, e esse ano nós estaremos indo no dia 15 de março para uma semana. Ela não viu, não recebeu profeta, não sei se eu falo profecia ou profetada, mas ela apenas ouviu falar de Jesus. E essa notícia foi o suficiente para resgatar ela de algo que talvez ela já tinha perdido há muito tempo, a esperança. Quando ela ouve falar de Jesus, isso vira uma chave dentro dela.